Hello students, continue with our subject business mathematics. So today we are going to learn another method of permutations. The name is arrangement method. Let's start with example of arrangement method. In how many ways three members of a family, husband, wife and a daughter, can be arranged in a row for a group photo. See the students here, one family is given. In a family, one is husband, wife and third is his daughter. We have to take a photograph of these three numbers, or you may say three persons. Then how many ways to arrange these three persons in a row we can calculate here. So first of all we write here in sum 4. Here there are three members in a family. They can be arranged in a row three ways. So total arrangement is equal to 3p3 3 factorial 3 into 2 into 1, so 6 ways. See the students, three persons arranged in 3 ways. Here specified, one is husband, second is wife and third is daughter. So we have to arrange them also. In first chair husband sitting, second chair wife sitting and third chair daughter sitting. After in second round, first husband, second daughter and third wife. In third round, first wife, second daughter and third husband. It may say we can arrange the three persons in 3 ways. So we can write the person sitting in 6 ways in different method. So it is very simple for you. I also say this type of option in exam. Sometime the 8 member is given. Suppose 8 member is given, out of 3 person is also arranged. So we have to write 8p3. Suppose 5 person is a family and 2 person is selected. So we write 5p2 way of sitting arrangement. Here 3 person is given and 3 arrangement. Sometimes 8 is given and 5 is arranged. So 8p5 way to arrange them. Now in another sum, how many different numbers of 5 digits can be formed using all the digits of number 7, 0, 3, 1 and 2. See the students, here 5 digit is given. Out of 5 digits also 0 is given. So we have to write first of all here five digit means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 7 is given. We have to make a arrangement 5 digits. See the students, 5 digits. So the first place is putting 0, then 5 digit is not arranged, only 4 digit is arranged. So we have to arrange that type of arrangement. So first place 0 is not putting, only 1, 2, 3 and 7 digit is putting on first place. So we have to write the first place cannot filled with 0. So first place can be filled up by 1, 2, 3 and 7. See the students, we have also once again I repeat this. The first place cannot be filled up with 0. અહીંયા ફર્સ્ટ પ્લેસ છે એ 0 થી આપણે ફિલ કરી શકશું નહીં, તો આપણને 5 ડિજિટ નો નંબર મળશે નહીં. જો ફર્સ્ટ પ્લેસ ઉપર 0 મૂકશું તો ડિજિટ કેટલા આવશે? 4 ડિજિટ નો સમ આપણને મળશે. સો આપણે એવું કહેવાનું થાય છે કે ફર્સ્ટ પ્લેસ ઉપર ખાલી આપણે કોને મૂકી શકશું? તો કે 1, 2, 3 અને 7. मीन्स અહીંયા આપણે આ પેલું જે પ્લેસ છે એને 1 2 3 અને 7 થી જ ભરી શકશું. તેનો મતલબ એવો થાય છે કે 4p1 मीन्स 4 ડિજિટ છે, પેલું પ્લેસ 4 માંથી કોઈ પણ એક થી જ ભરી શકશું. તો રિમેનિંગ જે વિધા આપણે કેટલા પ્લેસ છે? 4. તો આને કેટલી રીતના ભરી શકીએ? 4p4 मीन्स સીધો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ પહેલા પ્લેસમાં જ આપણને અહીંયા 1 2 3 અને 7 ભરી શકશું, પછી તો 0 ગમે ત્યાં લઈ શકશું. આમાં तो पहलू प्लेस છે 1 2 3 and 7 means 4 digit 4p1 એક પ્લેસ છે એટલે 4 નંબર છે અને પાછળનો રિમેનિંગ છે એમાં તો આપણે 0 કે કોઈ પણ ડિજિટ ભરી શકશું કે આપણે 5 નંબર માટે જોઈએ છે. સો 4p4 means therefore we have to write 0 can be plus second, third, fourth and fifth class. Means 0 અહીંયા ક્યાંય પણ આવી શકશે પણ ફર્સ્ટ પ્લેસ ઉપર આવશે નહીં. તો આનો અરેન્જમેન્ટ પણ અહીંયા કેવો અરેન્જમેન્ટ થશે? 4p1 base. So here 4p4 base. Remaining digit is plus filled with 4p4 base. Now total number is equal to 4p1 into 4p4. So 4p1 means 4, and 4p4 means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now 4 into 1. Now we plus 96 ways to use this number. See the students, second term is so much important for you guys.